my koutou, ko Amanda Rose here. She is Amanda Rose.
And moa te rau Winton School, ko Anthony here. He is Anthony. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Rapere, the 14th of March.
Okay, let's get into te kupu o te wiki. This week's word is kura, which is te reo for school.
As in, here pai toku kura. My school is a good school.
Right on. Let's talk about heat-ups, koutou.
Rule 1. Have your heat-up named with your room number clearly marked.
Rule 2. Have it in the class heat-up tray before school starts.
Okay, on to health and safety news. The clear sky UV forecast for today is moderate from 11 until 2.
So now potae from 11 please. Kia ora.
Hi VIZ Vests. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Pedestrian crossing news. Please make sure you are looking carefully before crossing the road.
Look right, look left, and look right again for crossing the road, koutou.
Still on health and safety news. Bikes and scooters. Everyone must walk them within the school grounds.
Otago problem solving news. You have a meeting in the library today at 12:40 with Mr. T. Kia ora.
Okay, tomorrow is Rā Mere, and my favourite Rā o te wiki because it's sausage sizzle day.
Get your stamps in the library from 8:30, koutou. Correct money, please.
Birthday news. 3 at Winton School today.
Ryan Anderson and Richard Meechang are both turning 12 in room 12.
And Ollie Davis in room 8 is turning 9.
Rā whānau kia, koutou.
Happy birthday, gentlemen. Have excellent birthdays.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kite a pupu. See you tomorrow.
Haere rā and stay classy, Winton School.